Hey guys, update on the extra 330 SC. I've got a lot of work done on the wings, the control surfaces too, but there is some slop that I'll have to fix. And this one isn't too bad, but this one is bad. I added screws that I can unscrew and screw in to tighten the wings. They just tightened into the aluminum spar. The motor is currently out of service. I destroyed 2 bearings, but I'll get that fixed in a week or two. And I finished the left control surface. This project will be complete on time by June 20th.